Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Hello, Twisters! Today, we're gonna make something quick, something simple, delicious, and healthy. So we're gonna make corn relish. And it's pretty simple. So we're gonna start off with our corn. You could use frozen corn or you could use corn that you boil. I'm cheating because I'm using what I have in the house right now. So I have 1 can of corn here, a 15-ounce can. The other measurement would be 1 cup of corn. So all right, I've got my corn. I have 1 jalapeno chopped. It's a small jalapeno. I took the seeds out. As you know, it's gonna be too hot. I really should use grape tomatoes, but I don't have any. So I use what I have. So that's about 1 small plum tomato. But it would be better with grape tomatoes because then you cut it in half. Red onion. I have about small red onion or half of a large onion. And cilantro, fresh cilantro. The cilantro has to be fresh, chopped fine. And 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lime juice. That's the green one, not lemon. Okay, and you know, we can't do anything without salt. And I like sea salt, so we're gonna salt to taste. Let me see here. I don't want to put too much salt. About 1 teaspoon of salt. And we need black pepper. Okay. Well, guys, I think that was one of the quickest recipes I've ever made. And this is, God, it smells good because I like the smell of the fresh cilantro. For those of you that like beans, you could put beans in this. I hate beans, so I wouldn't put any beans. But, you know, I've seen this salad with beans in it. So I'm done. And I want to taste it, actually. So we have to take this and let it, oh, I made a mess. Let it marinate. I should have lifted this up. You know, so we have to let it marinate in this lime juice, okay? Talk about making a mess. But you know, if it was too perfect, then you would say it's too perfect. So we gotta make our messes, because at home, we have messes. And that's how it is in real life. All you gotta do is clean it up and move on. So I have to taste. So this we can leave to marinate for about 4 hours. I just wanna make sure it has enough salt and, you know. Delicious. Guys, you don't have to put it in a jar like this. I just happen to have one. That is beautiful. And so, Twisters, thank you for making corn relish with us today. Please subscribe, hit the notification button, and tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.